Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to change your default currency in Gemini app. If you don't have a Gemini account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get $10 of Bitcoin after you buy or sell $100. But if you already have an account, just open the app by tapping on it. Once the app is open, you will see a profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the profile icon. On this screen, you will see a section for default currency. Tap on your current default currency. Now you will see the list of currencies. Tap on the Set option beside the currency you wish to use. That's how you change your default currency in Gemini app. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.